Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins team. Guys, thank you for being here today. Let's continue talking about business lending, and today's going to be a short and sweet, but I want to make sure that it's to the point so that you can continue doing what you need to do every single day, so like that you start laying the foundation for your business lending. Now, business lending is essential. As we know, if you want to start a business, for the most part, you will always be the personal guarantor. But overall, your goal is to not only become profitable, because that's what we all go in business, to make money, to support ourselves, to give that freedom that we always wanted, not working for somebody else, be able to have the control of a life that we want to. But sometimes, if you don't do this right, it becomes a job. So this is why we want to make sure that when your finances are in place, are in line, your personal credit is the way it's supposed to, and you are the personal guarantor for your business. Yes, that is what's going to give the kick drive for your business. But overall, if you ever want to scale your business, and you should always want to scale your business, become bigger than you are, never be happy with where you are. And again, I don't want you to take that the wrong way, but I want you to always strive to be better. And that's what I mean. Your goal is to overall, over time, and sooner rather than later, for you to now transition from using just your personal credit to your business credit. That's what we call corporate credit. And depending how big you want to be in business, that's how big of certain steps that you need to take. But there are key elements that will dictate how much you will be able to get, and if you are even able to get any type of lending when it comes down to business. But guys, thank you for the little introduction of what we're about to do today. But first of all, let me do a selfless plug right now. Thank you for being here today, guys. This is your first time on our channel. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon, click on all, so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content, guys. This is daily that we post something new. Now, at the same time, do not forget to give me the thumbs up. That is going to help me tremendously to continue bringing this value, this content to many more people. And that's what we want to do. We want to help you, but we want to help many more. Now, having a business lending or business financing takes attention to detail. There are certain points that you need to do, and I don't want to go through here in this video because it is going to take a while. But number one will be, make sure that you meet all the 20 business success compliance. And how we're going to do that is, go on the bottom of this video, there's going to be a link. I'm allowing, and our company is allowing, but no more than 1,000 new businesses. So be one of the first ones to get in. Get your free success scan. Find out how your company looks right now to the eye of a lender, the eye of the bank, but also find out what you need to start working on, because sometimes it's things that we don't even know are affecting us. And a lot of the times you don't even know, the person helping you, trying to get the loan or trying to get the lending for your business, don't even know. Have you ever gotten this answer? You apply for a business card, for a credit card, for a business loan, and the loan officer tells you, sorry, Mr. Estrada, you got disqualified. You will be receiving a letter in the mail in between the next 7 to 10 business days. You know what that happens? This happens because that loan officer don't even know why you got disqualified. It was an algorithm behind closed doors in the system of the bank or the lending company that will dictate that you don't qualify for it. Now guys, this success scan has the answer. It will find out what you are missing and what you have, and allows you to at least start working on it and create that foundation that you need. Number two, make sure that you maintain your business credit score of 70 and above. Remember, the magic number is usually 80 to 90, but the lowest, if you ever get to pay something late, hey, don't ever, the goal here is for you to stay no lower than 70, but the goal for you to be is between 80 and 100. Number 3, keeping your EIN tax status in good standing. Bottom, it's needless to say that you need to pay your taxes. Make sure that you file your taxes, make sure that you're actually doing all your proper deductions. Get a CPA. I will always advise you. I'm not an attorney, I'm not a CPA, but my advice to you is to get an attorney and get a CPA in your state so they can give you the proper advice and guidance on what you need to do in your state. Number 4, maintain your business presence. Your presence online, your website, your local listing, your 411, anything. Guys, this is something that will be required by the banks nowadays. You need to be able to be found. The company needs to be able to, if the bank decides, okay, I want to go ahead and check your company, 123 Main Street, 123 Main Street, that's what they're going to be able to find by doing a local search. YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel or any social media, I mean, they are free. Guys, go ahead and post something nice and neat. You could go to different service out there that you do thumbnails. If you don't have no graphic background, go to Fiverr. Fiverr.com is one of those sites that is very inexpensive and people are looking for work. If you want some nice graphics for you to put either in Instagram, you have your Facebook, you have LinkedIn. I mean, if you're a business, you should be in LinkedIn, bottom line. But at the same time, if you have something in which you show people what to do or the type of business that you have or product, open a YouTube account. It is free. It just takes time for you to be able to record and put it in the net or put it in the web, just like what I'm doing right now. Little by little, you need to be obtaining. So this is number 5, by the way. So little by little, you need to be obtaining credit lines, trade lines. So we're talking about net 30s, credit cards. But the goal here is for you to be able to acquire and maintain at least 10 of them. There could be 10 of them. Make sure that you always keep them on time. Never had a late payment. If you have to push it, never push it no more than 10 days prior to the due date. Always try to pay as early as possible. As soon as you see the invoice coming out, make sure that you go ahead and pay for it. Make sure that you stay on top of your bills and never have a late payment. Now, number 6. So this is something that you also need to be responsible for. Maintaining your own personal credit score up to date. I mean, the purpose here is for you to be able to get a 700 and above. Always try to keep a 700 and above. That is the magic number when it comes down to business. Now, our goal for you is for you to be in the 800 club. The goal is for you to always be out there. Guys, I want to show you that, we do what we preach. So I'm going to show you in a couple minutes our credit score, because we do this every single day, and we can show you the different ways in which you can definitely do this. This is why I am in the 838, and I just want to make sure that I impress that upon you, that in order for you to be a successful business owner, you need to take care of your personal credit, but at the same time start building your business credit today. Number 7, guys, make sure that you keep your bank account rating to a low 5, no higher or lower than that. A low 5. What I mean by that, a low 5 means that you had at least $10,000 on the past 90 days for the past 3 months in your bank account. This is the way that your bank rates your bank account, and it dictates if you have the ability to repay a loan back, or if you have the reserves in order to do so. So guys, hey, I appreciate it. Like I said, this is short and sweet. Thank you for being here today. Now, if you have any comments about this video, make sure you place the comments. Make sure you let us know how we did, how we could do better, how we can improve this for you. Any other topics that you guys want us to touch about or talk about, let us know. But guys, once again, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you click on the bell icon and click on all. But at the same time, guys, give me the thumbs up. Thank you for being here today. My name is Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin, and I'm going to see you in the next video. See you soon.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing. Got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?